All right, good morning, LCP family. Today, I had a video request that I'm going to be making. That way, teachers who are teaching from home, but also maybe students or parents who need this, this is going to be how to screen record on your computer, but also have your floating video of your face. That way, as teachers are creating screen recordings, they can have the students watching them, but also the students can see all the visuals that they're referring to. So it's kind of like having two cameras going at the same time. So let's jump right in. All right, so here's how we're going to screen record and have my video of myself. Step one, Command spacebar and search for QuickTime. Now this QuickTime window is open and it says QuickTime right here. I'm gonna say File, New Movie Recording. This is gonna bring up my video recording. I'm going to head and shrinking this down. When this window is selected, go to View, Float on top, and select that. Now this window is going to float on top of anything that I'm doing. Step two is I'm going to screen record. So it still says QuickTime. If I click away, that goes away. So just make sure that you have selected that window, File, New Screen Recording. Now I know I'm screen recording because I'm gonna have this little camera up. So as soon as I'm ready to start recording, make sure that you have selected Record Entire Screen. You're gonna click, and now I have a button up here that shows that I am recording. Now what I can do is bring up Google Slides or one of my documents. I can go through the slide. Now, do not present. When you present, it will override this little floating video here on the side. So I can go through this with my students. I can be talking to them. I can be making examples. I can be writing on the board behind me. I can also go to any website that I need to. So this is great because now the students are seeing the examples I have, but also being able to see my instruction as well. When I'm finished with my screen recording, I'm going to press this button. It's going to bring up this floating window. This is the recording that I just did. And as you can see, let me shrink this down. You can even see my video that I was recording down here at the bottom. I have a button up here that shows that I am recording. So now I can send this video off, I can save it to wherever I need to, put it in Google Classroom. So now the students have access to my knowledge, plus they get to see me, which is going to help keep that connection with students at home. All right, if you have any questions or need support, please email help@lcisd.net or reach out to your DLS on campus.